Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation the Legacy from the 21st to the 25th of August 2023 on Monday. Themba sneaks out of his room in the dead of night. Nkaba is not happy to hear where in the investigation is going. Anati covers for Dear Life about who's coming to dinner on Tuesday. Lucy suspects the new teen in the house is lying to them. Pele hopes go down the drain when he makes a shocking discovery. Zobo doesn't like being put in his place by a snotkop on Wednesday. Panic station as Nkaba and Ben figure out where the police know. Mreza tried for tough love but is not very good at it. Wozondi will save the day for her grandson on Thursday. Shock and horror when Themba is brought home by the police. Anati realizes he has a competition and doesn't like it. kaFikile gave in to the minister's dark request on Friday. Tanjiwe takes breakfast to Buhle and is shocked by what she finds. Pele saves the day when an ugly fight ensues. Mpo receives a phone call which could change everything. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.